Hello, my beautiful students, and welcome to the introduction to Lesson 6, Neolithic Turning Point. Today's aim: was the Neolithic Revolution a positive or negative turning point for humans? Today's lesson objectives: you will be able to identify whether secondary sources supports a negative or positive claim of the Neolithic Revolution. You will be able to summarize reading text in the Jigsaw Protocol. You'll also be able to synthesize evidence to form a claim. Today's key vocabulary word is turning point. That was also that was Friday's word of the day. So we should be very familiar with the word turning point and what that means. All right. When turning point appears in today's lesson, it will be highlighted in green. As always, we're going to open up with the word of the day. The word of the day is the same from Friday, and it just happens to be our key vocabulary word for this lesson. All right. That's a coincidence. So that's also a treat for you guys. Then following the word of the day, you are going to open up with your icebreaker question. And today's icebreaker is: imagine there are no supermarkets or delis. Would you rather have to hunt for your food or have a farm to grow your own food? All right. Remember, cultivate the land. Remember, moving forward to your guided practice, I would try to always put this a part of the guided practice, watching a video and using our note-taking sheet, because that I feel like that will help us get the information we need to move forward in the lesson. All right. So today's guided practice, you're going to start off by opening your note-taking sheet to prepare to watch the video Neolithic Agriculture Revolution. All right. This video will give us the background information we need to understand what's happening as we move forward in the lesson. As always, I will link a guided practice here of how to complete each part of the activities in the worksheet. We will then come here and do this. This is a part of the guided practice as well. We will complete this summary text as a class, where you're going to follow along and highlight the text summaries as it either be positive or negative impact of the revolution. All right, so we're going to do this part as a class. I read each statement and you just tell me, should I highlight it positive and that'll be green, or should I highlight it negative and it'll be pink? That's a part of your guided practice done together. Okay, we're going to take those same claim statements that we used in the guided practice, and you're going to come down here to your independent practice. All right, using the positive and negative turning points from the guided practice, complete the remainder of the chart below. The first one is done for you. All right, so you have these claim statements. The first one: Neolithic farming allowed human populations to grow. That's the text. Then you're going to just explain in this box, how did the Neolithic Revolution contribute to that? All right. Again, Neolithic farming allowed human population to grow. How? How did the Neolithic Revolution cause that or contribute to that? Because the Neolithic Revolution allowed humans to make more food so they could sustain longer and more productive lives. All right. Farming created new diseases for humans. How did the Neolithic Revolution contribute to creating these new diseases? All right. And you don't know it now, but you will get the information from the video on the onset of the class. All right. Then you complete the remainder of the chart, and then we will have a little voting section to see if most of us agrees that the Neolithic Revolution is a positive or a negative thing. All right. So you just fill this quick survey out, and then at the end of the class or the next day, I'll be able to share if we felt it was a positive impact or a negative impact. And we'll be able to determine that how we voted as a class. All right. And then that completes your independent practice. And as follows, as always, your exit ticket, which is the aim. All right. And again, today's aim and exit is: was the Neolithic Revolution a positive or a negative turning point for humans? And explain. Okay. So you're going to use all the evidence and information you got from the video and your explanations of the each point of the revolution to answer that aim and exit ticket, right? Then you're going to prepare for the next lesson tomorrow, and you are all good to go. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you all in class tomorrow. Bye.